Welcome back. Before we head into the business of the day, I have to mention that you head over to github.com to create an account. It's free. We shall be using GitHub as our central repository. Now, in this video, we shall go over the installation of Git in our machine. And that's because for Git to work, you need to install Git in your machine. To install Git, just head over to their website, which is git-scm.com. Now click on the downloads button here. Select your operating system here, and Git is downloading, as you can see right here. When it's downloaded, double click on the file for the installation to begin. The installation process is very easy and does not need any technical guidance. After the installation, pull up your command prompt or terminal if you're using Mac and say git. As you can see, I have Git version 2.17.0. If this comes out, it means you successfully installed Git on your machine. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.